The kit is going into blue. Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? It's early here, Thursday morning here in Florida, about 6:30 in the morning. Going to be doing some house cleaning, and I came across this stuff before I put it up. I wanted to post a quick video. This is the kit that's going into my Blue 7.3. I call him Blue. Previously, I did a fuel bowl delete on it and a basic setup with the filtration. Now I'm converting it into a full e-fuel system, just like my flatbed. But it's been a fun process working with Crew Diesel, of course. Thank you, Crew Diesel, for again sponsoring this video. And it's very cool to be partner up with him. He's a great guy, and you know, the best thing of it all is I get to play with these new parts and install them in my truck and check them out and, you know, see how it performs. So it very cool that I partnered up with him. But yeah, I'm going to try to get this done this weekend. My little shit box car that I use for personal use took a shit, got a blown head gasket in it. So I'm down to driving the blue truck 7.3, and then I have my flatbed and my other 7.3. But yeah, I'm going to try to get this installed. I just got to make some time. It's going to be a few hour install. I'm thinking about 4 hours to do everything, maybe less, because I have done it on the other truck. But I just have to make some time in my day to make sure I don't have to go anywhere, because as of right now, I'm primarily using my blue truck to get around until I find another shit box just to use, just to do estimates and then run around. But anyway, hopefully this weekend I can get this done, and I'll post a video. I'll post a reference video, and I'll also post a video to where I mounted everything, because this kit does come with a new fuel filter mounting bracket. So one of the filters is underneath my hood. This one I'm thinking is going to go on a frame somewhere, because there's not much room under the hood. But there might be. I haven't really checked it out yet really well, but we'll see what happens. I'll post the video as soon as I get to it. I'm hoping again this weekend I get to it. Again, thank you for watching. Any comments, any questions, leave them down below. I always try to answer them within 24 hours. Sometimes it does get crazy, but I do get to every comment and every question. All right, thank you for watching. See you guys.